Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to set, how to use and how to customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So we will start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings. Here we have to scroll a little bit to find the display, and now let's scroll down just a little bit to find the eye comfort shield. As you can see, we can turn it on without the customization just by using the switcher, and after tapping on it the screen turns a little bit yellowish or maybe amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you like to use your device at night, then this mode is perfect for you. So of course you can leave it like this, or you can customize it. So just tap on eye comfort shield, and as you can see we've got some options. Let's begin with the color temperature. So by using the switcher we can make it cooler by going to the left, and warmer by going to the right. As you can see, it's almost orangish. What's more, we can set the schedule. So currently we've got it always on, which simply means that we have to manually turn it on or off, but we can set it from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, or we can custom it, so we can freely pick the start time and the end time. Tap on done, and of course it will be immediately applied. Our device just got back to its normal state, of course, because we are not between the start and the end time. What's more, we've got the option adaptive, which simply means that your device will automatically change the color, so activate the shield depending on the time of a day, which can be also useful. But I think I will just leave it always on, so the manual option kind of. And basically this is the customization of this mode, and as I promised at the very beginning of this video, I'll show you much faster access to it. So basically all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully, as you can see, and now we have to just find the eye comfort shield, which is right here. If you cannot find it here for some reason, no worries, just tap on this plus icon and you will be transferred to available shortcuts. So right now it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and it will immediately get back to its normal state, and of course the same in the second way. So basically that's all. This is how to use the eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.